Hey guys, welcome back to Ferguson RV World. We're here in St. Thomas, Ontario, and today we are going to be looking at this Freedom Express 294 BHS. This thing has a lot of great features: outdoor kitchen, huge bedroom, beautiful bunk room. Let's have a peek at this. Here we go, guys. As you can see, huge pass-through storage. This thing's also lit, so we can turn that on, have a bit better view. Freedom Express also gives you 2 extra outdoor tables. One little table there, which will clip onto the sidewall. And then in this box, strapped to the ceiling, is a plastic resin outdoor table. So you can really set up a beautiful outdoor kitchen. Here's the outdoor kitchen. You have your griddle, your little bar fridge here, and then a pull-out countertop with your sink. We got hot and cold taps, and this will drain right into a tank, so you're not having to lift out the sink there to drain it. Extra cutlery storage, barbecue forks, all that good stuff. On the back here, we've got a ladder already attached, giving you access to get up there, sweep your slide outs off, or do a little bit of sealant touch up. Any maintenance you might need to do. Beautiful solid steps coming into the unit. Inside here, guys, we got Mallory. She's giving us a hand today. So Mallory's going to open up some of these cabinets. Now check this out. Behind the TV, you have a whole whack ton of storage here. Pantry storage, whatever you want it for. But nice hidden storage. Beautiful refrigerator. This is, again, a 10.7 cubic foot refrigerator. 12 volts. Got lots of storage across the top here. We've got the TST tire pressure monitoring system. That's a Freedom Express thing that comes straight from the factory that way. Lots of counter space. This guy's equipped with a stone cast double sink, which is nice to have the double sink instead of having a large farm sink in some cases, depending on how you're going to be camping. Extra countertop space. Also a banquette of drawers and some more storage here. Three-burner stove top with your oven. You guys might not use the oven very often, but you can use it as a bread box. Perfect. Microwave just above. Big slide out, guys. U-shaped dinette. The neat thing about Freedom Express is that these tables that they're adding, they're all freestanding. So if you want to turn this thing into a huge U-shaped couch, you can do that. You can put it over in front of your sofa here for a coffee table. There's a lot of things you can do. Beautiful theater seats. These theater seats are also going to be heated and massaging. Above that, we have great storage with some nice accent lighting. I'm going to follow into the bunk room. Now, this is interesting because these bunk beds sit in a different orientation than a traditional bunk bed. I'd say that this is an east-west style of bunk bed instead of north-south. So it's offering you more space in the living room and still giving you lots of space for the kids. Look at all that shelving. A little bit more storage underneath there. Let's check out the bathroom. This is a beautiful walk-through bathroom. Nice thing with a walk-through bathroom is it gives you an 8-foot wide bathroom. So instead of this just being shoved off into some corner and forgotten about, they actually give you a really nice large bathroom. Huge stand-up shower with glass closing doors there. The bedroom here, lots of storage going around. This is a queen bed, 60 by 80. Don't mind the protective plastic on the mattress there. Reading lights just above. Large picture window in the front. I think that's just a beautiful, beautiful thing. This bed also lifts up. There's a bit of storage underneath. Mallory will show us. So storage underneath there, and then on Mallory's side, there's actually drawers. So you'll have that on both sides. It'll be the same thing over here. If you guys want to get camping this year with your family, and this looks like the right model for you, give us a call. Send us a text, 519-631-1092. We're out here in St. Thomas, Ontario, and we'd love to have you.